Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issues 45, 46 and 47 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself and build this beautiful iconic car, head over to this link here that takes you all the way to their website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Bink. Head over there and build along with me by taking yourself out a subscription. Now, why am I doing 3 issues, I hear you ask? The reason is because this is the wheel assembly, and usually they just want you to join a couple of little bits together, look at it and put it away. Well, I want to get it assembled for you, so we're going to do 3 magazines in one show. So we'll start with that. We'll quickly flick through these, folks, just to show you what you get. This is about the TV show, about the comics, etc. Year by year there, all the way through, just like so. Beautiful, beautiful artwork, I must admit. And then this is what it asked you to do, which was basically join that part of the wheel with that part, like so. And yeah, I kind of thought, well, we could do a bit more than that for you, can't we? So that's what that issue wanted. This issue, again, you got your TV show, your Batman comics, year by year, like so. All the beautiful artwork as per normal that we've gotten used to seeing. And then it just wanted you to put that wheel hub in the tyre, like so. Okay. So again, we want to give you a little bit more than that. And then in issue 47, we've got the TV show, like so. Some really stunning artwork there. I really do like that piece, I must admit. Some of these artworks would make a beautiful tattoo sleeve. There's the Batman year by year. There we've got the wheel rim, the bat symbol and all the bits and pieces. That's going to go on like so. And then we're going to be adding the wheel to the chassis, which is what you'll get there. Okay. So there's a bit more to it this week by doing it that way. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. So without further ado, let's get this all together for you, folks. I've got all the bits lined up on the top there. So issue 45 would pretty much have been just this, folks. Okay, put the wheel together. Okay, so that's what we would have done. Like so. Let's get it around the right way, Cole. There you go. So that would have been one issue, but we could do better than that. So let's get the tyre, drop the rim in like so, and then we can start putting this bad boy together like this, okay? We want to line those up like that, and then we'll grab our screws and we'll start putting that all together, folks, okay? So I've got my screwdriver of goodness and my CP screws. So we'll whop a bit of oil on them. Just like so. And then we'll start putting this together for you. So let's just grab all of the components and start that ball rolling for you. Just like that. Once you've got the first screw in, everything else becomes a lot easier, folks, okay? Let's just start that in. Just like so. And then put that fully home. And then we'll work our way round our diagonals like we normally do to pull this rim nice and tight to pinch that tyre. Okay, so we're going over here. So let's pop that one in. Just like that. Grab the next one. Like so. come down the way, screw that one in, and bring that like that. Put that in place. Little drop of oil. Get that screw in, and then that leaves us one more then to go over the other side. Just like that. Pop. And bring that in there. Just like so. Okay. So that now will be ready to go on, as said, a Batmobile, folks, okay? So we've got our little emblem to put together. I'm keeping all of these off the model until I'm ready to put it on its display. Purely and simply because I don't want to lose any of them. Okay, so nice resounding click. And then that's going to sit in a bag with all my others so that I can keep it safe, okay? I'll just put that to the left out of the way. And we're now going to come in and put this rear hub unit on the back of this wheel, ready to mount this on the Batmobile. So you've got two little ears there sticking out. So you want them at the top like so. And then line that up so that it sits above them. And then we're going for a pair of AM screws on this one, folks. Just like that. Let's bring that in. Like that, and then we can screw them fully home, just like that. There you go, let's pop that off of there, don't want that on there. Grab that, a little bit of oil on there. We can put that one in then, and then we can come back and tighten that first one then, like so. There you go. Have you some of that, and then we can come back the other side now and fully home that screw like that. And that's the wheel ready now to go on our Batmobile, folks. So let's bring the chassis into place, and then we can get our wheel on the back there like that. Okay, let's grab our screw of goodness, put our little washer on her, and then we can put a bit of oil on the thread and get that screwed in place, folks, and get that wheel in place. And then that's the chassis now, fully rollable. Nice rolling chassis. There you go. And this is the stage with these Partworks that's always nice to get to. You've got your all four wheels on there. It just makes it a lot easier to manoeuvre around. There you go. So let's move them out of the way so you can see what we're looking like. Don't need any of them now. And that's what we've got, folks. We've got all four wheels now on our chassis. And it's coming together looking really nice, folks. So that's where we're going to leave today's issue. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. In the meantime, if you want to follow this link over to the Fanhome website, have a look at this and take out a subscription. Bink. And you can be building along with me. Also, to help me out, if you could just click that little fester in the corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell whilst you're there, you'll get notified of upcoming content. And it's really helping me grow my channel, so I massively, massively appreciate it, folks. Until then, stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Look at that.